Alright, today we're going to get to number 31, which is called Cascada Cerro Banko. We're driving from David down here to this intersection and up to a big waterfall. No problem.
Number one, when you ask for directions from someone in Central America, is we will always be wrong. But I actually think this guy might have been right. He pointed me in the right, damn it, he pointed me in the right direction, and I found this waterfall and thought, well, maybe this is it. But another dude on a horse came by and said, I asked him if this is it, and he's like, no. So I think where I'm, the Cerro Banko, I think it's probably much bigger than this. Always remember rule number one when asking for directions. I must have asked, I don't know, 5 people now, stopping every time I saw someone, and they all said, yeah, just keep going, just keep going straight, you'll find it. So I got to a T, I took a left, I found a dead end. So I asked the guy, oh, you just need to go the other way. I come back here, like I would have taken a right at the T, and I found another dead end. So you got to remember that you're asking people who are really poor, and they probably haven't traveled very much, so they don't know, but they also don't want to look dumb. So they just tell you, just to get you to go away, so they don't feel dumb. Shady skills on.